Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the Duo mobile app on a device. Now if you want to install the Duo mobile app on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to install the Duo mobile app on a device, make sure that you have App Store or Play Store on a device. So it is an inbuilt app, so you must have it on a device. After that you need to open App Store on an iPhone, but if you are using Android then you may open Play Store on a device. So this is the home page of App Store, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So you may click on the option of search and you may go on the search bar option at the very top and you may search Duo mobile. So here you'll see various options like authenticate to 7 or Duo mobile, and also you may click on the option of Duo mobile, and there you'll see the option of get, which is highlighted on blue. So you may click on the option of get, and if you're installing it for the first time then it may ask you to verify yourself. So you may click on the option of install, and it may also ask you to click the power button twice at the very top right. So you may click on it. So after doing that, as you can see that the download has been started. That's how you can install the Duo mobile app on a device. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.